Hey everyone, today we are going to be doing the DJI Mini 3 Pro distance test. This is in my neighborhood. We're going to kind of see what type of distance we can get and see how well it performs. Today's test, we're only keeping it probably around 50 meters high, so we are going to run into a little bit of obstacles and interference later on. You'll see. Please enjoy. As you can see here, we're starting to get a little bit of, interference or distance. So I walked across the street to see if I could get a little bit of better line of sight, which allows me to get a little bit more distance. But it's pretty flat in Florida and a lot of homes in between me and the drone at this point. So it goes a couple of hundred more meters over towards our clubhouse before it starts to get a little wonky again. Here you begin to see it kind of starts glitching a little bit. You can see the signal with the controller really drops down to 2 bars. On my screen it's pretty frozen when I'm looking at it, really glitchy. So at this moment I decided to, best to turn around and start heading back. 1,200 and some meters, not too bad considering all the distance in between and the homes and the trees. If you like chillax fishing adventures, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We do all kinds of videos, from fishing, travel videos, and DJI videos. Appreciate it.